Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing this Carnival 3 palette. This is with Be Perfect Cosmetics and Stacey Marie. I also created this look here with it. So if you're interested in this palette, if you want to see what my thoughts are on it, then please keep watching. So I'm like high-key excited. Now I've actually already swatched this palette. I did it on my live the other day on Instagram. I have had a touch at these colours. So my favourites are like these ones. So of Pearl, Rose Pink and Vanilla. They look like actual petals on your finger. It's madness. I'm going to do a mental colour look. I'm going to use as many colours as I possibly can. I can't get every single one of these on my face at the one time. So I'm just starting off by brushing up my brow hairs. And I'm going in with my P. Louise base in 2 and 3 mixed together. And I'm using this little flat brush I got from eBay like 10 years ago. And I'm just going to apply this under my brows. So I'm going to start off with Black Beach here. This is the black in the palette. It's kind of more charcoaly, it's not like pure black. And I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner of my eye. Jesus, so that's just me tapped into that product once. And that's like almost the same colour as what's in the pan. So that is a good start at least. Okay, so I actually was not happy with this black in the palette because it's not pure black. But see, having it on now, it's near enough black, like it is properly dark on the eye, so that I'm really happy with. I'm now going to go into Blackberry here, and this is the darkest purple in the palette. I'm just going to focus on the outer half of my eye here because I'm going to have warm colours here and then going a wee bit more cool tone to the inside. Now going into Bloom up here, which is this nice pink colour. So I'm just going to be blending this further up now. Okay, so it seems to be blending together so well. I hope that you can see it all right on the camera. But I'm super happy with it so far. I knew that I would. I just love the Carnival palettes. They're just so amazing. So I'm happy with how they're looking so far. And I'm now going to go into Pink Lily here. This is so bright and it's definitely going to stain my face, so I can't wait for that. Again, I'm just bringing this up even higher. Okay, so this isn't quite as bright as I thought it would be. This does seem, going to the eye, a wee bit similar to the last colour, which was Bloom. Maybe if I just build it up a bit more, it might get a bit brighter. Okay, so that is blended together really nice. I'm not sure if I'm going to smoke it up anymore. I might, again, when I have my foundation on, but I'm quite happy with how that looks just now. I'm now just going to bring this Blackberry, the purple here, round all the black that we've done, so I'm going into my actual eye now. Now I'm going to go into the deep here, which is the deepest blue in this palette. I love the name of this, I think it's really cute. And I'm just building this up next to the purple.
Try to manipulate you and control your energy.
Oh my god. Did you see how blue that came out? Let's just go into that once. This is crazy good. Now I'm having to do very little work here. This is applying so well. I'm sure you can see how dark that is. Oh my god. Also going to have to get this blue here to blend into the pink. So I'm thinking a colour that would go best would be Tahiti here, which is this kind of lilac. So this will hopefully blend quite well into the blue and into the pink. And just pray that these blend together. Yeah, I think they will. That looks fine. Fabby. And then I'm just getting this brush that we used for the wing. I'm just going to blend that a little bit higher so it's a bit pinker at the top. That's going in with Pink Lily again. Wow. I have no words. I just love this already. Now we're going to blend up that blue with the Lagoon blue here. So this is just a little bit of a lighter one and we're going close to the brow this time. Okay, so I got so much on there just from 2 taps, so I've just kind of tapped that off a little bit. Okay, I do really like this colour. This is so pretty. I'm also just going to blend this down a little bit past the dark blue so we can blend into the next colour easily. Now we're going to go into Reef here, which is this nice turquoise colour. I really love this colour, it's just so pretty. Look at all the brushes I've used already. I'm going to have some cleaning sesh after this. And I'm just going further into my eye now. Okay, so I'm just going to apply a little bit more light blue between that dark blue and the turquoise there because it seemed to kind of disappear slightly. Not like I put too much on anyway. Okay, there we go, that's really showing up now. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this palette. I'm actually over the moon with it. Now we're going to go into Tahiti green here, and I'm going to start applying this very inner corner of my eye. I don't even know. Oh, I got eyeshadow on me. I'm also going to apply this to the inner corner. I'm going to go into Key Lime here and just blend it up. I'm just going to go back into Reef here and make sure that those are blended together. I'm actually just going to go into Lilac up here, and I'm just going to wing this out and hopefully kind of make it a little bit more blended. So that's me finished with the shadow on the top of my eyes. I'm just going to go in with a Bobbi Brown gel liner. The liner so brings this look together. Now we're going to go in with the Be Perfect Prime. I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes. I'm also going to sharpen up this little wing we've got going on here. I'm also going to apply this into my waterline. And then I'm going to go into Sand here, which is this nice sort of peachy colour. And I'm also applying this into my lash line. Okay, so this is coming out kind of orangey. I'm basically now just going to mirror what I've done on the top onto the bottom. And I'm not going to speak to this too much because I really don't want this video to be super long. So yeah, I'm super happy with this. I'm gonna go and do the rest of my makeup and then I will be back for lashes. Okay, I'm now back. So I've done my face. I've also just kind of straightened my hair and made it look a little bit more presentable. I'm gonna use one of these shadows as a blush just so we can get as much out of it as possible. So I'm gonna use this colour Bare here. This is kind of a peachy, pinky sort of colour. And I'm gonna just be very careful doing this because I don't know how pigmented this is actually gonna be. Okay, there's a lot of kickback here. I'm using quite a big brush though, I don't know if you can see. It's quite powdery. But it's kind of, doesn't spread very easy. I know this obviously isn't made for the cheeks, but when you place it down somewhere it doesn't seem to move very much. This is quite a nice colour for a blush. It is really quite pink though. Okay, I'm quite happy with that. I'm also going to try and use this as a highlighter. Hopefully it won't have too much of like a shadow on it, if you get me. I just want it to be nice and sheen. Ooh. But again, I'm really not sure. We shall see how it goes. Oh my god. Oh, that is so nice. So it's kind of blue and pink. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera. I think you can a little bit. It's a little bit dark when you turn my face, but obviously again it's not a highlighter. I'm just trying to use it for as much as I possibly can. I do quite like that it's got a bit of blue in it as well actually, because it like matches my eyes as well, so I've got pink and blue. It's like actually a mirror. And to finish off, I'm gonna get a little bit of this rose pink here. I'm just gonna pat this on my lips. Got a wee metallic lip going on now. I'm now just going to put on these Jamie Genevieve lashes. These are TL Jamie 2. I've never actually used these lashes before. I'm not going to film putting my lashes on or doing my mascara because it's pretty self-explanatory, and I have a video of it which I will link in the right hand corner on how to apply your lashes. So I will see you back here in a second for my final thoughts. Okay, so that is the lashes on and this look officially done. I'm loving this shimmer on the lips. I think it's so pretty. I'm going out tonight and I think that I'm going to do that because it's so cute. So that was just the rose pink here. Don't know if you can see it alright, but I really love that. And then again, the highlighter is the pearl colour here. Now this has got a wee bit messy. Okay, so I've used 16 out of 40 shades in this palette, so I think that that is quite a good number. I love this palette. That is my review. I absolutely love it. Of course, I still haven't used all of the colours, but the ones that I have used I've been so obsessed with. They've all blended together really well and they've also came out super well. So like as soon as I apply them onto the eye, like just from a couple touches in the pan, it comes out super vibrant. I think if you're gonna dive into coloured looks, the easiest way you're going to do it is probably with this palette because it's the easiest way you're going to blend, it's the easiest way to apply these shadows. This is even easier to use than the last palette and that one was also very, very pigmented. This is absolutely my favourite. I'm also glad that they don't have the highlighters this time. I like that it's all just this little space here. It comes with a nice little mirror. I also love the front of this. I was on Stacey Marie's live not long ago and she said that this was inspired by I think our bathroom tiles or our kitchen tiles, I'm not too sure. And I love the whole like tropical vibe of it. I think it is really pretty. I might actually do like an inspired look of like the kind of flowers at some point. I do really like that. I also just want to point out on the back here there's some shades that have little stars on them and the stars basically mean that these shades can cause staining onto the eyes. I'm not sure about Britain, but in America the shades with the stars on them aren't FDA approved, which basically I think it means that if a shadow causes staining it can't be approved. So I think that's the only thing that you would need to know about this really, but it's not dangerous, like you can put them on the eye, but just be aware that it can stain. So congratulations, Be Perfect Cosmetics, Brendan and Stacey Marie. This is such a beaut palette. I'm going to be using it all the time now. Tonight I'm going out and I'm thinking about doing a wee khaki look, so I'll be using these colours up here. I'm just super excited about it and I think this is a great palette. So I just want to say a massive thanks for watching my video if you made it to the end. Please like this video and subscribe down below if you haven't already. I upload every Sunday at 6:30. If you enjoyed this video, I also did a review a little while ago on the Lorac Artistry Book palette. If you would like to go and watch that, I will leave that in the I will leave that in the right hand corner also. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye 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 bye.